Hello, I'm Emily from Food at 52 and today I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese summer rolls. To make good summer rolls, they need to be really tightly rolled and I'm going to show you how. The first step is to wet your board. If you're using a wooden board, it needs to be wet. So you just grab some water and just liberally wet your board. So the first ingredient we're going to use is the rice paper. You'll see that there's a shiny side and a rough side. And what we want to do is to place that in the water. It doesn't need to go in for long, but make sure the rough side is up towards you. And then you place it on your board with about a bottom third quarter sticking out. Next up, we're going to lay the ingredients in the roll. Now what you need to do is get your two fingers either side and only place ingredients in between where your two fingers are. Otherwise it will fall out at the end. So the first thing we're going to take is some rice noodles. Now you might be hungry, but you don't want to put too much in there. We're not making burritos, and that's about the right amount. And now we take some grated carrot, gives it lots of lovely colour. And then we take some cucumber batons, and that gives it lots of crunch. Okay, just check that you haven't gone too far. Next up, we're going to take our prawns. Now, if you have a look, we've cut these prawns in half. And you need to make sure that you are laying them with the cut side up towards you. And as you see, I'm doing a bit of a Chanel sign here. Okay. And I've laid it out like that. Next up, we're going to get two of our mint leaves. Again, we want the stem side up towards you, and I'm going to place that there. And I'm going to place one mirror image opposite it, like that. Now we're ready to start folding. So, just wet your fingers again so that they don't stick. And what you want to do is you bring the paper up over that first mound of ingredients that you made. Okay, and then you just pull it back tight. Bring your prawns down a little bit. Now you've managed to make some room. And this is important. You then fold it over so that you've got a bit of an envelope. And if I hold that up, you'll see you've got a complete envelope all the way around. So now, using all your fingers, you do not just want to use two fingers, use all your fingers. Bring all those ingredients down so they're really tight, and you just start to roll. And as you roll, you're just going to keep that tension all the way along. I'm going to bring my mint down a little bit, just so it's opposite the prawns. And last but not least, at the very end, we grab chives and we place those at the end, and we carry on rolling. So here we have our summer roll. You can see the mint one side and the prawns the other. What you want to do is cut in between your mint leaves, and you just cut straight down, and then you lay them upright, and you can stick them next to each other like that, and they stand there and proud. If I just bring that over, you can see. So there we have Vietnamese summer rolls. They go really well with a hoisin dipping sauce. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Emily from Food at 52.